Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest reviews on all sorts of products. Today, we're diving into the world of sweet delights with the Nestle La Lechera Sweetened Condensed Milk. If you've got a sweet tooth, you're in for a treat. Picture this: creamy, sweet, and oh so delicious. That's what you get with Nestle La Lechera Sweetened Condensed Milk. It's the best Leche Condensada La Lechera available in the market, and today, we're going to tell you all about it. Let's start with the basics. Nestle La Lechera Sweetened Condensed Milk comes in a convenient pack of 12 cans, each containing 14 ounces of pure sweetness. Whether you're whipping up desserts, adding a dash of flavor to your coffee, or creating your own creamy concoctions, this condensed milk is your go-to ingredient. Now, let's talk about quality and taste. Nestle is known for delivering top-notch products, and this sweetened condensed milk is no exception. It's made with just two simple ingredients, milk and sugar. The result? A rich, creamy texture and a perfectly sweet flavor that's sure to elevate any recipe. The versatility of Nestle La Lechera Sweetened Condensed Milk knows no bounds. Use it to make decadent desserts like creamy pumpkin pie or indulgent dulce de leche shakes. Or get creative and whip up your own recipes. With this sweetened condensed milk, the possibilities are endless. Here's a pro tip. If you find the contents of the can a bit thick, simply remove the label and warm the unopened can in a bowl of boiling water. This will soften the contents, making it easier to pour and mix into your favorite recipes. So there you have it, folks. Nestle La Lechera Sweetened Condensed Milk is the ultimate ingredient for all your sweet cravings. Whether you're baking, cooking, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee, this sweet treat is sure to delight your taste buds. Grab a pack today and let your creativity run wild in the kitchen. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!